YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and today I am going to be doing a Flexi rod set. So if you want to know how I got this look, please stay tuned. Okay, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. If you guys watched my wash routine video, this is the after effect. This is what I do after I wash in preparation for the Flexi rods. So I'm basically just spritzing my hair with water. And now I'm just putting my hair in sections. As I always tell you guys, work in sections. It will make your life so much easier. So I'm just spraying with water and putting it in sections and securing it, each section with my butterfly clip. Okay, so that's my Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil Serum that I'm putting on my scalp. And I'm about to do a little scalp massage. I love scalp massages. They are very, very good for hair growth. And I will actually do a separate video for scalp massages so I can show you guys how I do it and how you can do it too. Okay, so I sprayed with my leave-in and I'm smoothing it out, and I'm putting in mousse and smoothing it out with my detangling brush and then putting the Flexi rod on. But guys, the first two sections I'm gonna end up doing over because I didn't like that it wasn't smooth. You'll see. When you do it, you'll see like whether it's smooth or not, and you definitely want to make sure your hair is really smooth. So you can keep watching and just look closely. You'll see that it wasn't smooth the first time that I did it. So that's me, adding the Flexi rod. If you look closely, it's not so smooth. So I'm doing it again. I already did the first section. I'm doing the second one again, and this time I'm adding the Sunny Isle Castor butter, and it's making my hair smooth. I'm smoothing it out. I have highly porous hair, so my hair likes a lot of products. So now, after I smoothed it out with my detangling brush and it looks the way I would like, I'm just putting it on the Flexi rod, making sure to hold it taut and to smooth as I go along. Yeah, and it looks very smooth and shiny, the way it should be, so that you will have your curls looking smooth and shiny. So I'm just doing the same thing to this section. I am adding my Aphogee, then my Sunny Isle leave-in, then my Motions Mousse, and the Sunny Isle Castor butter. And just smoothing it out using my detangling brush. That is the trick, to make it get as smooth as possible. And then hold your hair taut and then wrap it around that Flexi rod. You may have to play with it a couple of times. I had to before I got the perfect way to put it on. I even watched videos to make sure. So give yourself time to play with it till you get it right. Okay, so I'm basically doing the same thing to this section, spraying it with my leave-in and all the other products I'll leave in the description bar, and smoothing it out. Now pay attention to how I'm putting it on the Flexi rod and smoothing my hair while I'm doing it and making sure it's taut. You see, it's nice and taut and straight and smooth. I'm basically doing the same thing to the other sections, guys. Yeah, so you're basically just adding the leave-in, adding your Apogee, the leave-in, the mousse, and the castor butter, and smoothing it out, smoothing it out, smoothing it out. That's the trick, guys. You have to keep smoothing it out with your detangling brush and holding it very taut on that flexi rod and making sure it is very smooth so that when it dries, it takes the shape of how you put it on the flexi rod. Okay, so I'm done, all done, and I slept with it overnight. This is the next day, and now I'm taking them out. I would recommend sleeping over, having it in for 2 days if you're gonna do it the air dry way. Cause mine was still a little bit damp, but it wasn't that damp where it messed up my curls. You also can sit under the dryer. So yeah, make sure when you're taking it out that you make sure that the curls are going in the direction that they're supposed to go. You don't want to mess up, your hair. And since it's the next day, that's why you see me putting the serum again. And so now I'm separating the curls. And this part, I really didn't know how big or small to separate them at. And so you have to use your better judgment. It really depends on what you're going for, what look you're going for. I kind of wish that my curls were longer, and I think I should have used bigger flexi rods. I underestimate the length of my hair. My hair is really long. It's been growing. So I think using bigger flexi rods next time will give me the look that I wanted. And I thought I was going to wear my hair out, but I didn't quite feel comfortable wearing it out because, again, I wanted more length to the curls. So I just played around with it till I got it in a look that I wanted. And you'll see what I ended up doing. But I'm just shaking it out, shaking it out. And now I got my wide tooth comb to fluff out the roots, but I still wasn't really sure how to do it. I saw other people doing it on YouTube, but I wasn't really sure. I'm not an expert at that yet. So try not to mess up your curls. Okay, so that's the style that I ended up doing, a ponytail in the back using my banana clip, and I let the front do what it do. It came out just that way when I took out the flexi rod, so I left the front like that, and that's the final look. I really liked it, guys. I hope you try it. Like and share the video, and make sure you hit the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma for you and Kharyzma for you fashion. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.